Hello everybody, hope all are doing good. Today let's see how to make Snickers cake. For that, we shall start dry roasting our peanuts. You'll need 100 grams of peanuts. Add a pinch of salt to this. It's optional. I'm keeping aside 2 tablespoons of the peanuts for decorations. Transfer this to a mixer jar and let's make our peanut butter. Add sugar to this. As per your taste, you can increase the amount of sugar you need. Add milk to get the right consistency. Either 2 or 3 tablespoons would be enough. Our peanut butter is ready. Leave it aside and let's start mixing our dry ingredients. Take 1 cup of maida, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and quarter teaspoon of salt. I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. If you want, you can add 2 tablespoons, but I'm just adding 1 tablespoon because later I'll be adding dark compound to this. Let's prepare our wet ingredients. You'll need 50 grams of butter. Melt this butter and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add 2 tablespoons of dark compound to this. If you don't have dark compound, then you can increase the amount of cocoa powder. Earlier we added only 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, so you can increase that to 2 tablespoons. I'm just adding this for an extra richness to the cake. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. And a quarter cup of oil. Add a teaspoon of vinegar. Give a good mix and leave this aside. Let's start with our egg and sugar. Take 3 eggs and 1 cup of sugar. Start to beat off the sugar in very low speed and add sugar in batches. After you have completely added the sugar, increase the speed to high. Add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter to this and give a good mix. Now let's add our wet ingredients to this. Keep the speed in low. Do not mix in high speed. Now mix the dry ingredients to this. Mix in a very low speed. Transfer the batter to the baking pan. Take a pan bigger than the size of your baking pan and preheat it for 10 minutes on high flame. Keep the batter inside this. Lower your flame and bake for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the other things that's needed. Now she'll need 100 grams of chocolate and 50 grams of fresh cream. To hot milk, I am adding the leftover peanuts, and this is what we are going to use for soaking the cake. Meanwhile, our cake is ready. Let's start off with the icing. Take 1 cup of whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and half a cup of sugar. Start beating off in low speed. Once you start getting such lines, increase the speed and beat for about 7 to 8 minutes. Let's start layering the cake. Soak the first layer of the cake with the milk, peanut butter milk that we have prepared. Add the icing. Some Snickers just to get a bite of it while we eat the cake. Another layer. Repeat the process for all the 3 layers. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.